coming. The goodies keep coming.
I'm a fan of Evotech. Found out, man, Evotech is a pretty good company. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about them, but they've been treating me good. So we ordered some passenger peg eliminators, I guess they're called. I'm not sure the actual name. Don't let me lie to you. But I do plan on making a video where I kind of go over all the mods I've done to the bike. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna make that video. But this is the clutch side for the passenger peg delete. So you got your Evotech passenger side delete, and then this is the hardware for it. These guys, oh man, I like the fact that they're black. Oh. I'll just take out the exhaust side or brake side. And this is the exhaust side. So I'm pretty sure you know how self-explanatory this is to install. It's not really difficult at all, but I don't like having passenger pegs. And if you take off the passenger pegs and just leave the exhaust, you will lose your exhaust, or it will start to hang really, really low. Like really, really low. And this is the hardware for the exhaust. So these go to the hinge at the bottom, and then these with the washers go to the top, just like these for the washer. So let's take the passenger pegs off, shall we? All right, so we took off the exhaust side. Now let's go and install this side. I cannot stress, I will always use my Loctite. I have blue, so if you choose not to use Loctite on yours, that's fine, but I'm gonna always use Loctite. And this is blue, it's not red, because I don't sense there's a lot of vibration on this part of the bike, or at least I don't think. So I'm gonna always use Loctite, always, always, always. So now let's go mount the exhaust side. Oh, should have checked the size. This is the size, yeah, this is the size. So let's go mount this on the bike really quick. So let me mount this really quick, and I'll see you guys in this. I'm gonna be real, that looks like I just need an exhaust. Now, tell me what's a good company to go with. This looks like a lot of black going on in this little area right here. It looks like it's a lot going on. I like the simple look. I know for sure I don't want an undertail or underbody exhaust system. I want something that's like kind of like this. I'm not getting rid of the Evotech. So I need an exhaust that can go with this. But this little area right here looks extremely busy. So something like a simple exhaust muffler that probably cuts off like right here would be great. So give me some tips. Please comment below what's a good exhaust to go with, and I'll look in. So yeah, so what do you do to one side, you do to the other. So let me take this one off. You can't tell me that don't look way better. Two of these, both sides, nice. And I like that they have type of head versus the other, or their Allen head setup. This one is a lot better. Yeah, man, this is the video. Real quick video. Should have been a short. Oh, I want to show you guys that I took off the chain cover just to get it a different look. I want to see how this looks and see how it feels and how it rides. I also did keep the metal piece to keep the chain in place, and it's literally right in the middle. It's literally right in the middle of the chain, so right in between the grooves of the chain, that's where it sits, which is good. I like that. I like that it sits in the middle, because it kind of protects if the chain was to ever pop or anything was to go haywire, it'll protect the chain. I mean, it'll protect the case. Just gotta do a little cleaning. It looks disgusting. It don't look disgusting. It don't look pretty dirty. It just like it needs some love. But chain and sprocket is next. I'm gonna go to 520 convert. I'm gonna go driven, chain sprocket kit, ECU flash, and also intake filter. Once I get those four things, I think I so. Thank you guys for watching this real quick video. Let me put the bike back together and go for a ride.